Uzet was disappointed to find out that uBaby Likamva did not go anywhere. The pregnancy termination was not successful. And to make things worse, now they want to treat this as a legal case and want to know who gave her the pills. And she can't say anything because the nurse has already threatened her and threatened her family's life. Tumeka is jealous of the relationship that Thandeka has with Fikile Zetu's mom. Even reminded her that she's the grandmother of the baby, not her. Onga is going insane. Azanda is making his life difficult, and it made things worse. Uqawe no Portia when they went digging the files. Now Onga has gone back to alcohol, deep into alcohol. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So the doctor explained that Uzetu took pills with termination of pregnancy, which are only given to people who are at least 9 weeks or less. But Uzetu is already 20 weeks, and there was no way it was going to succeed. Manje, it is causing her to be sick, and now like situation like a very right now the nurse that gave her the pills is busy looking because she's seeing this thing is getting out of hand. Now apparently Uzetu is bleeding, and it's a touch and go. They don't know if she's going to be fine or not, or if the baby's going to be fine or not. And Umama Zetu is worried that she's the one that pushed Zetu to doing the termination because she did not support her when Zetu came to her telling her about the pregnancy. She was not supportive. She just felt like Uzetu is just becoming like her sister Utokozi. Ngapha Utumeka does not want to say that what she did to Zetu was wrong. That is why Umawake is acting the way she does. And says Guti now Uhlati is treating her like the villain. Uhlati was standing on business. Kesana did not even move. Said that when we need to go and apologize to Fikile, Zetu's mom, and make sure that we're not denied access to the baby when the baby is born. Because now, we don't even know if the baby is going to survive or not. We need to pray for the baby and Zetu to be right. And then now I'm going to go and apologize to Fikile. I'm not going to let pride ingene ime endleleni yami yokubona umzukulu wami nowami. Utumeka was like, no, I'm not going to go and beg another woman. At yay, minandiaya, I'm going to apologize with you or without you. Now Utumeka must choose is she going with Uhlati to apologize or not? Umaga Zetu shame she's feeling guilty about the way she treated Zetu, busy looking at the pictures. Matanzige went to her house now to see her again. She's even worried. Are you here because the Mabandla sent you to check kuba umntana unjani or umntana uyaphila? Ati nope, I'm not here as a Mabandla. I'm here to support you. You need someone. Your child is in hospital. You need someone by your side. And then they went inside the house and started talking. Like she got to offload and said that she played like Uzetu was her hope. So like a meal ticket to get out of poverty, and that she was just not there for her. She feels like because Matans even asked about their dad, and she said that their dad left when Uzetu was 2 years old, and she's been doing things alone. That's why she never had the chance to give them love. Now she feels bad. And then Utumeka was not happy to find out that Uzetu bepungitia no Fikile. Are you friends with Fikile now? Don't forget ukuthi imina umakhulu walo mntana. I'm the grandmother of the baby, not you. Hi Umatanza kahle tum kahle. Are you saying that I must not be human just because we're not zoqasuka because of ama issues on our no Zetu nomndeni wakhe? Nope, I'm not have energy for. I don't have time for this energy. Okay, I'm leaving. She just left Umatanzana, did not give Tumeka a chance. Ngapha Unsik is talking to this nurse, telling her that amaphilisi they keep on disappearing esibhedlela. So she wants this lady to help her. Abe amehlo nendlebe zakhe, not knowing that she's the culprit. She's actually the one that's stealing the pills. And now this nurse went to Zetu to threaten her, told her that if they ask her about the pills, she must not mention anything. She must not say anything. She must not mention her name, or else she's going to be in trouble with the people that are going to come and put her family's life in danger. And then Uzetu wakes up to find out that uBaby Likamva is alive. uBaby Likamva did not die. Termination was not successful. She wasn't shot at how. I'm still pregnant, but we see you are still very much pregnant. I'm still monitoring you and the baby, and your termination was not successful. The disappointment goes to Kesana because she thought the pills were going to help her. But in manje, we're just trying to monitor you go to Ube right. But then they want to know who gave you the pills. Because this is not just a medical case now, it is also a legal case because this is a crime. Oh, Unsiki was saying to Zethu, since we are forced or obliged to report it, this case, because amaphilisi ukuba wathathe, where did you find them? It's illegal to be taking these pills. Wathathe, they belong to the hospital, they're supposed to be taken under supervision and nurses. So where did you get them? The nurse is there, ngathi monitoring spirit, making sure Zethu does not say anything. Ngapho Azande is making life difficult for Onga, even mentioning his past. I think is an imposter ku-tech. Azathi Onga, ungufunani ngempela wana, what do you want from me? I want leadership from you, Onga. But it seems like he just has beef no Onga, because he can see that Lazarus likes Onga. Onga now is frustrated because why is he mentioning his past? It doesn't mean that he knows something about him, about his past. And then he gets a call from Lazarus telling him that someone went through the National Archives. So they saw Ama records ka Onga about his arrest, about his drugs problem, and everything, telling him to come to the house. When he gets there, Onga is stressed out. He's even drinking alcohol. Lazarus says, "Guti how these people went through the archives and they saw all your files." The way Onga is so stressed, he's losing it. Kesana. Ulaz is even worried because are you using again? Because we are selling, because you can see because he poured himself a drink and Onga had stopped drinking. Onga now suspects Kuti this whole thing has Azande written all over it, because Azande was the one talking about his past and that he was digging. So now Manje Onga is just drowning himself in alcohol. He went to Pilot to drink. He keeps on drinking. Uma wethu no Portia go to Pilot to find Onga enxilile sana enxile. He was so drunk during the day. Look, he's busy talking. Ama wethu has been saying don't mention anything about what we know about his past. But can Portia and Kawe see how them interfering in Onga's life has just led Onga into a wedge? Because now Onga is just drowning himself in alcohol. Ecinga ukuba Azande knows what's going on about with him. Kanti cha, it's Portia no Kawe noma wethu. And then he gets a call because he's missing a meeting that he was supposed to be in. He's gonna go to the meeting. Enxile enjalo. Wasn't giving Azande another opportunity to make his life more difficult. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.